order of operations? Order of operations is a method that we use to determine in what order to solve an equation. PEMDAS can be used to find the order of solving. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, left to right. That is very important. So let me just write it up. Very important. Left to right. M and D stand for multiplication and division, and A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Also very important to do left and right. Okay, that two-sided arrow looks a bit weird. Okay, anyway. Example number 1, 3 times 3 plus 3. The equation 3 times 3 plus 3 can be solved using PEMDAS. So let's solve it, and then we're going to check if we're correct. Let's start by writing up PEMDAS. Okay. So we don't have any parentheses. We don't have any exponents. Do we have multiplication and division? I think we do. So let's solve 3 times 3, which is 9. And then let's move on to addition and subtraction. So we've got this plus 3, so let's bring this down. 9 plus 3. And our final answer is going to be 12. Now, let's check this. Answer 12. So let's check this. Solve the multiplication. We did that, and we added 3 to 9, which we got from doing the multiplication, and so our answer was 12. Example number 2, 5 parentheses 4 plus 7 minus 9. Okay, so PEMDAS. Do we have parentheses? Yes. So let's solve. Inside the parentheses, we have addition and subtraction, which is done left to right. Let me just draw that arrow there. So are we going to solve 7 minus 9? Or are we going to solve 4 plus 7? Give you a second to think about that. We are actually going to solve 4 plus 7 first. 4 plus 7 is 11. And so we still have to solve, we have to bring this number down and solve for 9. 11 minus 9. And we get 2. Now, we have this 5 next to the parentheses. What do you think that means? This is a form of multiplication. So if there's a number, that did not come out so well. If there's a number next to any parentheses, it's always going to be multiplication. So let's do 5 multiplied by 2. Multiply by 2. 5 multiplied by 2, and make this an x. Usually they don't have that x there, but 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So our final answer is going to be 10. Now let's check it. Answer 10. So we were correct. Example number 3. 9 divided by 3 times 6 plus 4 parentheses 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Then we have a 4 right next to it, so that's probably going to be multiplication. Anyway, we have a 4. So we have 4 because that's our answer from the previous. Not that, but like, okay. Now we have this. So let's solve. following PEMDAS, we're going to go left to right with multiplication and division and addition and subtraction. So let's start by doing division since we're going left to right. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Let's bring that down. Now we're going to do multiplication since we're still going left to right, and since we got 3 here, we're going to have to multiply it with 6. So 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. And then we have 18 plus 4 multiplied by 4. That's just a lone 4 there. Okay, 18 plus 4 times 4. Let's solve. So we're going left to right. So left to right would be 4 times 4 if for multiplication. And I understand you may think that you need to do 18 plus 4, but multiplication and division is first, before addition and subtraction. So if you see, like, it shouldn't be 6 plus 4, it should be 9 divided by 3 times 6. Because multiplication and division is before. So like parentheses is before exponents, exponents before multiplication and division multiplication and division before addition and subtraction. So let's do that. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 18. Our answer is going to be 34. You can check that. Carry the 1. So let's check our answers. Step 1, solve the parentheses. Step 2, divide 9 by 3. Step 3, multiply 3 with 6. Step 4, multiply 4 by 4. Add 18 to 16, which comes out to be 34. So our answer is going to be 34. Solve on your own. Okay. Solve this equation on your own. If you have a piece of paper near you, that's great. Try to solve it on your own. If you don't have a piece of paper, if you think it looks a bit hard, it's okay, because we're about to solve it. So anyway, pause the video, try to solve it on your own. Good luck. Okay, let's solve. So we have this statement. So we don't have any parentheses, and I think none of the equations in this video have had exponents. So we're just gonna maybe in another video we will cover that, because I think that's a very important part. Anyway, so no parentheses, no exponents. We had multiplication and division, and we do have an addition and subtraction. So let's first do multiplication, division, left to right. So if we're going. Oh, 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then if we keep moving just a bit, we have a times 7. This is multiplication, and so let's just bring that down. So 4 times 7 is our multiplication statement, and then let's just add the plus 3 here. 4 times 7 is 28. And so now let's solve addition and subtraction left to right. 3 plus 28 is 31. And then we have our plus 3. So 31 plus 3 is going to be our answer, and our answer is 34. So let's check. Let's check our answers. Answer 34. I'll just leave this up for a second so you can understand the steps. Thank you.